Welcome to my channel, Torque Mythz. Today we're diving into one of the most aggressive, iconic, and thrilling muscle cars of modern times. The Nissan GT-R in a bold, white blacked out finish. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more car reviews, performance insights, and full cinematic visuals. Let's get started. This is the Nissan GT-R, and it's not here to compete, it's here to dominate. At first glance, the GT-R still looks familiar, and that's the point. Nissan didn't build this to chase trends. It's built to remind the world where raw speed lives. That wide body, that signature roofline, that Godzilla stance, it's all still here, but sharper, angrier. The front fascia's been refreshed with new vents, more aggressive detailing, and slimmer LED headlights that slice through fog like blades. From the side, it still carries that iconic profile, long hood, short rear deck, but the subtle aero tweaks around the skirts and diffuser make this GT-R feel ready to tear a hole through the air. And that blacked out finish? It's not just paint, it's intimidation in liquid form. The 20-inch forged wheels look like they were carved from obsidian, tucked under flared arches that hint at the grip this thing delivers. Around back, the signature quad tail lights still burn red like warning. Signs and the titanium-tipped exhausts don't whisper. They growl. Step inside, and the tone shifts. You're no longer looking at a muscle-bound brute. You're sitting in a missile cockpit. Everything feels focused. Leather and Alcantara cover the dashboard and center console. The seats hug you tight, not soft luxury tight, but fighter jet tight. The red contrast, stitching, and carbon fiber. Accents don't try too hard. They just belong. The driver display still uses that wide multi-function screen, where you can toggle through boost pressure, G-forces, lap timers, and more. The center infotainment system is simple, responsive, and, thankfully, not overloaded with useless fluff. But you're not here for tech. You're here for what lives under the hood. And that's where the GT-R still hits hardest. A hand-built 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6, 565 horsepower, 467 lb-ft of torque. No hybrid, no electric assist, just pure internal combustion fury, delivered. Through a 6-speed dual-clutch gearbox and all-wheel drive system that's borderline supernatural, launch it, and it hits 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. But it's not just fast. It's brutal. The shifts are razor sharp, the traction is relentless, and the sound, oh man, the sound. It's like a war drum wrapped in turbine scream. And then comes the twist. Despite all that power, this car handles with precision. It carves corners like it weighs half its size. The Bilstein Damptronic suspension adapts instantly. Whether you're on a mountain road, a track, or just stuck in traffic thinking about that next empty tunnel. Steering, it's heavy, mechanical, old school, and you'll thank them for it. Braking comes courtesy of massive Brembo calipers that clamp like your life depends on it, because at the speeds this car reaches, it might. But here's the real magic. Even after all these years, even in a world full of Teslas and turbocharged 4 cylinders with artificial exhaust notes, the GT-R still makes your heart race. It's not the most luxurious, not the most modern, not the trendiest. But when you're behind the wheel, none of that matters. Because this car doesn't just move. It shakes the air. It grips your spine. It reminds you why you love driving. Now it's not perfect. The interior design hasn't aged perfectly. It drinks fuel like a beast. And if you're expecting touchscreens and voice assistants, you're missing the point. But when that turbo spools, when the tires bite, and when that twin-turbo V6 screams under full load, you won't care about any of that. The 2024 GT-R Premium starts around $122,000. And yeah, that's a lot. But what you're buying isn't just a fast car. You're buying heritage. You're buying the last of a dying breed, a true AWD twin-turbo monster in a world that's getting quieter every day. So here's the question. Would you take this timeless terror over a C8 Corvette or a base 911? Would you choose real sound over artificial silence? Would you drive the beast while it still lives? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and drop a comment below. What do you want us to review next? The Hellcat, the Charger EV, or something completely wild? Don't forget to subscribe to Torque Mythz for more high-octane content, cinematic visuals, and honest car reviews. Until next time, stay fast, stay loud.